Hey guys, today we're at the Tropicana, Atlantic City, room 789. We are in the South Tower. This tower is closest to the hotel lobby because there's quite a few towers. So when you come in, there's a closet, safe, all the typical stuff. And here is the bathroom. Hairdryer. Here's the amenities. Here's walk-in shower. Super, super clean. That's the first thing I noticed in here. It's like sparkling, which is always very nice. So not a big bathroom, but it's really nice. And then here's a full-size mirror. So this is the king bed again in the South Tower. It's just kind of the basic room in the South Tower. On every lamp there is like a plug-in and a USB, so that's nice. And then here's a little area. Refrigerator. Drawers. Again, over here, we did all the check-in through the line for check-in is just outrageous here at Tropicana. So we did it through a machine. Worked out great. We tried to check in. It said the room wasn't ready. It said that check-in is normally at 4. We tried at 12. But at 1 o'clock, we got an email saying the room was ready. We went right back to the machine and our keys spit out. So that was nice. Nice and convenient. Here's a little sitting area. Now here is the view. The windows are salty, as you can see. I don't think you can really see, but straight past this red roof is the swimming pool and then the ocean. So we do have an ocean view. It's just, you can't see it. I'm sorry. But yeah, it's nothing crazy. I mean, there's grass on the roof. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I wish you could see the pool area. All right, so like, subscribe, follow Vacation Kitty for more videos, more room tours. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. We're all over the place and always posting. So, all right, we'll see y'all later.